I can because I am successful. And in this tapping video, we will go straight to inserting the vibration of success in your vibrational field. The difference between imagination and visualization is simply that you visualize what you know and you imagine what you are creating. So technically it does not exist yet in your reality, but by loosening up, relaxing, and having fun, by allowing yourself to imagine something you want to accomplish, how do you envisage it? And as you allow yourself to mentally sketch how you imagine you would look like when living through a scene that proves you have reached your goal, well, that image starts to define itself in your imagination. And as it does, you see it over and over. And each time you see it over and over in reality, your subconscious mind is seeing something that exists. You have created it in your imagination and transferred it to the screen of your mind as a visual. And that visual is what your subconscious programming will now set about to create. Of course, you have to keep on seeing that scene on the screen of your mind and indulging in all the emotions you want to feel as you live out going through the accomplishments of your goal. Let's start. Think about a specific financial goal that you want to obtain or accomplish. And now inhale deeply and have fun imagining yourself achieving that goal. And now tell yourself mentally, I am the kind of person who is capable of achieving this goal. Keep your eyes shut and rate intuitively what you are feeling as you rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10 as to how much you believe in your gut that you can realistically achieve it. Be honest with your first instinct of rating. Don't analyze or judge the number you came up with. It's not a competition. It's only a number to help you track if you are on the right path as you go through your tapping sessions. Remember that a 0 means you have no trigger and you feel 100% confident that you will achieve the goal. And a 10 means that you are feeling very doubtful that you ever will. Because that trigger is actually the self-distrusting energy, which is the resistance to your achieving it. So let's tap and shift that energy so you can actually accomplish your goal. Taking full responsibility for yourself, let's start at the karate chop. Even though I notice a certain resistance to believing I will accomplish my goal, I respect my abilities. Even though a part of me doubts I can achieve my goal, I deeply love myself. Even though I don't see how I can achieve what I want, I choose to respect myself. Eyebrows. I choose to see myself succeeding. Side of the eye. I choose to love the core of myself, which is connected to the divine, under the eye. I choose to love myself, under the nose. I choose to honor myself, chin in the crease. I choose to see myself as a problem solver, collarbone. I choose to see myself accomplishing step by step, under the arm. I choose to notice how the opportunities appear out of nowhere that allow me to go forwards. Top of the head. I choose to enjoy the joy of feeling gratitude for those opportunities. Back to the eyebrow. I am supported in reaching my goal. Side of the eye. I am divinely guided by my intuition. Under the eye. I choose to imagine myself as the kind of person who can get this done. Under the nose. If anything were possible, how do I want to see myself when I have achieved my goal? Chin. In my imagination, I am choosing to see myself as competent and self-assured in my abilities. Collarbone. And I am deleting and clearing self-doubt. Under your arm. I am tapping on the vibrations or thoughts of why I can't do it. I choose to see myself as competent. Eyebrow. As I think about different past events when I failed, side of the eye, I realized I was only a lesson to learn, and I'm grateful for that lesson because I choose to see how I'm able to pick myself up from past failures. I'm clearing the grounds for why I believe I could not clear all those limiting beliefs. Chin. I am consciously acknowledging and deleting thoughts that led me in the past to fail. Collarbone. I am pressing delete on any thought that stopped me from believing in myself in the past. Under the arm. I am deleting all thoughts of the past that led me to believe then it was the best I could do. Top of the head. I am igniting the genius in me that unleashes my capability of being a much better version of myself. Eyebrows. I am opening the channels in me, exposing the amazing version of myself. Side of the eye. And that version, and those aspects of me, are coming to the surface, are being released through my higher vibrations. Under the eye. I'm clearing at a deep cellular level all doubts and limits all the way back through time. Under the nose. I'm convinced that I am capable of so much more than I know. Chin. I am enjoying feeling uplifted because I am an amazing person. Collarbone. I am enjoying accepting that I'm far smarter than I gave myself credit for previously. Under the arm. I am empowering myself as the image of the thought and belief chains break loose. Top of the head. I am enjoying the truth and freedom, seeing and feeling successful in my mind, body, and spirit. Back to the eyebrows. I have more capability in me than I know, and I choose to see myself as that better version. Side of the eye. I choose to see myself successful in clearing whatever limits I have. Under the eye. I choose to clear those doubts at a cellular level. Underneath the nose. I choose to clear them all the way back through my past. Chin. I'm capable of far more than I know. Collarbone. And I choose to see that amazing person and see myself smarter and stronger. Under the arm. I choose to see myself successful because that person is inside of me, clearing whatever has been holding me back. Top of the head. In body, mind, and spirit, thank you for allowing me to see the better version of myself. Put your hands down and take a deep breath. Mentally and emotionally, thank your higher power for allowing you to see yourself as smart and as successful as you are, because you really are. Take another breath, and with your eyes closed, project an image of yourself achieving your goal, and rate now on a 0 to 10, the intensity of the charge you feel. Remember, less the number you feel is the resistance. That means your tapping session has cleared out those vibrations from your autonomic nervous system. So keep on tapping, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.